All right, welcome. The question here, see this question 3. Make I zoom the question a bit. So, see this question 3. If the wavelength of a wave traveling with a velocity of 360 meters per second is 60 meter, the period of the wave is, so they give us velocity to be 360 meters per second, they give us wavelength to be 60 meters. How do I know? Velocity, in a they go this put meter per second, so this case then give us 360 meters per second. You dey feel am? Wavelength of 60 meters, lambda, na be the symbol. Whenever I see this one, they call wavelength. This one they call velocity. Okay, so 60 meters. You dey feel am? Now they say the period. This is the symbol for period under wave. Now you suppose solve for. But there is no direct correlation between velocity, lambda, and period. But they get relationship between velocity, lambda, and frequency. And from that frequency, we get direct relationship with this period. So see, I go see the relationship here. V equals F frequency lambda. So what we go first do now, we go first solve for frequency. You get? And once we solve for frequency, we'll come fit solve for period, because period is the same thing as 1 over frequency. You understand? So more first solve for frequency, we'll make use of this first formula here. So V is equals to F lambda, making frequency your subject of formula. You go say V over, might go step by step, I don't want to rush. V equals F lambda. Wetin I want to do now, I want make this F stand alone. I want make the F stand alone, you dey get? So I go say over, I go put the lambda under here, I go still put the lambda under here, you dey see am? So this lambda will come cancel this lambda. So you can get F equals V over lambda. See the lambda here. This one they call am lambda. Okay. So next, we'll plug in our data. So F frequency equals, wetin be V na 360, wetin be lambda na 60. So you will say 360 divided by 60. You will still get 360 divided by 60. It's like 36 divided by 6. 6 times 6 na 36. You put 6. That's why you need to learn multiplication. But no worry if you never sabi am. So if you punch your calculator, 60 here 1, 60 here 30. It goes inside 6 times. So 6, this one will be 6 hertz. This Hz here now be the unit of frequency. Whenever you see 6 hertz, they talk about frequency. 7 hertz frequency you get. So we get 6 hertz here. Next, we'll go use this formula now to get our period. So period, don't forget say period T equals 1 over F. So you go say 1 over, what will be F? F na 6, abi? 1 over 6. I punch my own calculator here. Use to carry your own, you punch am. That's so that they learn. So in case there's a mistake, you go put am for the comment section. 1 divided by 6, your answer na 0.166. Okay, so 0.166, approximately 0.1666. So approximately could be 0.17. And what will be the unit of period? Seconds, S. So your final answer now 0.17 seconds. So now option C now be the answer. Next question, we'll look for the next calculation question we will go solve. They say for the wave motion represented in the figure, the wavelength is, see this one, From this up, make I demonstrate am. Then I go dey put the number 4. Okay, number 4. Now I wan answer now. For you to know wavelength, they say wavelength abi, we'll get one line like this. You get one line like this, you get another line like this. Whenever you get something like this up, they call this one loop. Loop. You can't get another one for the down. They call them loop again. You understand? This one na one loop, this one na one loop, this one na another loop. Now, whenever you get one loop and another loop, you get one wavelength. So, wetin be a wavelength really? A wavelength na two loops, one loop and another loop. Shey dey get the point. So, if you more add another one for up here now. So, if you want check am now, you go say from here, if you say from here to this place, now one wavelength be that. So, from this question number 4, S, now S they put in between here, now S be the wavelength. Number 4 now option D. Next, more go look for another question. All those one are non-calculation question. See one question for here, number 7. We'll try tackle number 7. Wow, it's good like this. So, I need to test run this thing if it is clear. Alright, if this is not your first time, you don't try. This one na a test run. If it clear like this for you, if you say if you see the question well, if you read them clearly with your small device, let me know. So we'll run the calculation series like this. Thank you and God bless you for your patience.